Exercise 40. Write a program that prints a pattern of asterisks in the shape of a right-angled triangle using a for loop. The number of rows in the triangle should be specified by the user. So an example is given here of the right-angled triangle. Okay, and we are to use a for loop. Okay, so let's ask the user. Then for row in range 1 to number of rows plus 1. We discussed this in one of the earlier exercises. So we simply print asterisk times the row we are on. So if we're on row 1, we print it once, on row 2 we print twice, and so on. And that's all. How many rows? 5. And there we are. How many rows? 15. And there we are. Okay, that's all. See you in the next exercise. Thank you for watching. Please sign up for Python lessons at owendevs.com.